Hello everyone, welcome to your aviation channel, the Flying Nose Center. Today we're going to discuss about DME arcing, and we were tracking radial 021 outbound, and now we will be doing a DME arc at 8 miles, and we'll be doing the DME arc to the right. The first procedure that we need to know is that we want to be keeping the needle at 90 to the facility all the time. And the procedure is now to turn right to bring the needle to the 90 degrees of position. And as you can see, now we have 7.8 DME, and we're going to try as much as possible to keep it at 8 DME through anticipation and through turning inside and also outside the turn. Now we are at 7.5 DME, and the needle is 5 degrees up the white mark, which is the beam mark. To achieve a constant 7.5, therefore we need to have 5 degrees up on the beam mark. The pointer should be 5 degrees up or 5 degrees down. This will enable us to maintain 7.5. But I can see on the example, we're now having 7.5, but it's fluctuating between 7.4 and 7.6 to 7.9. So with more accuracy, we'll be able to keep these at 7.5. The secret about this is always ensure when when the distance is less, you turn away from the facility, and when the distance is more, you turn into the facility to reduce the distance. But keep it now plus 10 or minus 10 degrees on the beam position. So the pointer should be away from the beam position by around 10 degrees up or 10 degrees down. For this procedure, there's no great accuracy, and DME arc is usually done to intercept a certain radial or a certain radial inbound for the ILS approach or ANA procedure. And in this scenario, we are trying to intercept radial 200. Correction, we're trying to intercept radial 200 inbound. This time on the lower side, we can see we have radial 245. And we're now able to achieve 8.1 DME on this procedure. And what the pilot then needs to do is just to keep it a beam the position. We have 8.1, so he needs to reduce this. He needs to turn slightly inside the facility to be able to keep the needle pointing at 5 degrees up. As we've now achieved it, and we're now 5 degrees up, so we'll be able constantly to maintain 8.0 now. So this is a simple procedure which some pilots try to maintain this by random turns to the left or random turn to the right without having a proper estimation, just trying to chase on the needle. But the best procedure is have it 5 degrees up, and just wait for the needle to fall down below again, and you get it back to where it should be, 5 degrees up and 5 degrees down. The margin is 5 degrees up and 5 degrees down, and the distance will never change. And thank you very much for listening to our video on DME arc procedure. And please remember to subscribe on our channel, the Flying Nose Center.